Greetings and welcome. This is our Diwali special of our Gadget 360 show, and we've got some very cool and interesting stories. So whatever you were planning to do for the next 20-25 minutes, forget about it. You're with me. So what do we have? We've got a Diwali gifting guide, and we've got a very cool one by price and category, things that you can actually give away. And remember, it may be Diwali, it may be over for Diwali, but from here onwards, right down to Christmas and New Year, it is a time to give away. Now, whether you're buying things for yourself or others, a Diwali gifting guide for you. Then we'll move on to the HomePod Mini. You'll be surprised at what this little thing can do, and especially when you take two of these little things and sync them into stereo, it can actually create quite a party. We'll start off, of course, with all the news coming in, and the big news that came in is from Apple Silicon. It's been spoken about, it's been rumored, but it's coming, and it's coming big. M1 is the first processor by Apple themselves. It's an absolute rocket like their Bionic chips. But there's a lot more that you have to think about. I mean, is this a gamble by Apple? They're going away from Intel, which is a world standard, and going for their own. How much of a difference does it make? What products are coming in right now? Let's start off with all of that.
It was just a matter of time to see Apple moving away from Intel chips and making their own custom SoC. Apple is calling this new chip the M1, and it promises some big improvements over its Intel counterpart. The Cupertino giant announced a refreshed lineup of laptops with a MacBook Air, a MacBook Pro, and also the Mac Mini, all running on the M1 chip. While there aren't any hardware changes in the laptops, Apple is claiming big things on the software side. The new M1 chips have 8-core CPU as well as 8-core GPU, which means that a performance improvement is definitely on the cards. Apple says that its new laptops have better performance than any other Windows laptop in the same price category. Despite the same chassis on the laptops, the new M1 chip means that these ultra-thin machines are even more power efficient. Apple says that the MacBook Air will last 18 hours on video playback, whereas the MacBook Pro will last 20 hours. Now those are some insane numbers. A good thing to note here is that while Apple has hiked the performance with the M1 chips, the prices of these updated devices remain the same as before. And while we look forward to testing the performance of these new MacBooks, we're really excited to see what Apple has in store for the next generation of the iMac.
Time now to move on to Apple, the HomePod Mini. Now, when I first heard about it, I wasn't too excited. When I actually read the specs and really was told about the size, I was even lesser excited. But now that I've experienced this little ball, it almost is like a ball. We could actually have a game of cricket with it. It's a small little thing, but boy does it pack a punch. So we're going to show this to you in terms of our overall experience, what we thought of it in terms of sound, what happens when you sync two of them and actually get stereo sound when you join two of them together, and our few caveats that we actually have, including the fact that you're very limited to the kind of music that you can actually play. Here's our review.
When Apple held its October 13 event, there was a major announcement about a certain mini device. No, we are not talking about the iPhone 12 mini. For that, you should watch Cell Guru. We are talking about the Apple HomePod Mini, Apple's new Siri-enabled smart speaker. Apple has really gone all out on this one. Great features, amazing design, and the smooth sync with the Apple ecosystem. But we all know the ticket to Apple ecosystem is expensive. But is it worth it? Let's find out. The new HomePod Mini has borrowed its design from the bigger Apple HomePod. The sphere shape has been shrunk down to just 3.3 inches, which is definitely compact, but that doesn't mean that the sound quality has been compromised. Apple has managed to fit in a full-range dynamic driver in the HomePod Mini along with two passive radiators, resulting in a sound that's crystal clear and has got some great bass. There is an acoustic waveguide at the bottom of the unit that provides a consistent 360-degree sound, so even if you keep your speaker a bit far away, you won't miss out on your favorite tunes. The S5 chip that powers the HomePod Mini has been optimized and adapted to provide you something that Apple calls computational audio. In simple terms, the audio that comes out of this cute little device is fine-tuned. The experience gets even better with the stereo sound you get when you place two HomePod Minis together. Not only this, there are 4 microphones in the HomePod Mini, making sure there is a revert when you say, "Hey Siri."
Hey Siri, what's the temperature looks like today?
The high today will be 27 degrees and the low will be 16.
See? Oh, by the way, our old friend Siri is smarter now. With the HomePod Mini, Siri can recognize up to 6 different voices, which means everyone in the house can have a unique experience when they interact with the smart speaker. Also, it's up to the user if they want the smart speaker to store the voice. Taking care of privacy concerns, the voice that the smart speaker reacts to is also encrypted. It's a fact that all Apple devices work smoothly when they interact with each other. Case is no different here. The HomePod Mini works great with all your Apple devices. This is especially highlighted when you use Apple's new intercom feature, wherein you can communicate across all the Apple devices in the house, from your AirPods to even your Apple Watch. HomePod Mini comes with apps like Apple Music, Podcasts and iHeartRadio, and Apple does have plans to bring in third-party apps like Amazon Music. But here is the more important side of the HomePod Mini. This can very well be called Apple's first serious attempt to enter the smart home genre of devices. This is emboldened considering how well integrated the HomePod Mini is with the Smart Home app. The Smart Home app is where you add all your devices and they can be controlled using your iPhone. The day is not that far when everything in your house will understand you. To conclude, there are multiple reasons for you to buy the HomePod Mini. Great sound quality, Apple's smart home integration, but more importantly, your data is private to you, a point that all buyers should take seriously. In India, at a price of Rs 9,900, the HomePod Mini is going to trouble your pocket, but if you are into the Apple ecosystem, this can be a natural buy for you.
Let's move on now to what I really am very excited about, a Diwali gifting guide, a festive season gifting guide. Lots of different ways we could have actually done this. We could have actually done it for the people around you, perfect gift for your mother, perfect gift for your dad, perfect gift for your sister, yourself. But we decided we'll go by price and category because that is how we take our decisions.
Confused? Not sure what to gift your loved ones? Don't worry, the Gadget 360 show's got your back. Watch this segment and we're sure you won't be forwarding the gifts you've received, but rather getting something interesting for everyone that you care for. So sit tight and let's dive into the Gadgets 360 show gifting guide. The year 2020 has seen the biggest showdowns in gaming, with both the PS5 and Xbox Series X coming to the market around the same time. For the kids in your house and the kid inside you, there cannot be a better gift than these beasts. The PS5 comes with an exciting lineup of exclusive titles like Marvel's Spider-Man and Santa Monica Studios' God of War, and is expected to come at a price of Rs 49,990 for the disk drive variant. On the other hand, the Xbox Series X has advanced hardware and a very subtle design, priced at par with the PS5 for the disk drive variant as well. You can also add some technology to the life of an artist friend of yours by gifting them a brand new iPad Air 2020, the tablet that starts at 54,900 rupees and is hands down the best all-in-one device for creators out there. Not only can you create digital art using the iPad, but also edit 4K videos on it. To add on to this amazing gadget, you can also gift optional accessories for the iPad like the Apple Pencil and the Magic Keyboard, which will only amplify the experience. Self-grooming is an art, and we all know the artists who can use better gadgets to make their lives simpler. You can gift someone the Dyson Coral, Dyson's latest product in its beauty tech lineup, at 36,900 rupees. The hair straightener has a state-of-the-art design and comes with 3 temperature settings. If that seems a little expensive, you can look into Philips' latest line of Sense IQ products, especially the Sense IQ hair straightener that can lock in up to 70% of the natural hair moisture. At 9,995 rupees, this product offers great value. For your music junkie friends out there, we would suggest a pair of noise-cancelling headphones like the Sony 1000XM4 that packs in 30 hours of listening time, which is ample for the premium sound experience that it offers at 24,990 rupees. You can also go for something subtle like the Skullcandy Sesh Evo TWS earphones. These compact earbuds come with 24 hours of battery life and are available for 4,499 rupees on Skullcandy's official website. Video game streaming has seen a meteoric rise in terms of popularity in India. So if a friend of yours also wants to try their hand at it, you can gift them gaming headphones like Razer Black Shark V2X priced at 6,999 rupees so that they don't miss out on any detail while streaming their favorite titles. Now we can't ignore the amazing smartwatches that you can gift your peers. For your business-oriented friends, think no more and get them an Apple Watch Series 6 44mm GPS plus cellular variant priced at 52,900 rupees. Not only is the latest Apple Watch powered by the latest series chip, but it also packs in a highly advanced SpO2 sensor. You can also look into the Apple Watch SE if you're a little tight on budget but want to gift someone the watchOS experience. At 32,990 rupees, the GPS plus cellular variant of the Watch SE brings a lot of value to the table. For your friends using Android smartphones, worry not. You can gift them Samsung's latest Galaxy Watch 3, available in a 45mm variant for 38,990 rupees. And don't worry, it is 4G enabled. There is a perfect smartwatch for students as well, the Honor Watch ES. This 8,000 rupees smartwatch has a great build quality and packs in all the essential sensors and doesn't put a dent on your savings. We hope this gifting guide helped you just like it helped us. We wish you all a very happy and prosperous Diwali. Stay safe, stay indoors.
Thank you so much for joining me on the Gadget 360 show. This was our Diwali special. I hope you have a very safe Diwali and the rest of the festive season too. I'll see you next week right here on the Gadget 360 show.